Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics: terminal access and power. First, equip the terminal and place it where you can reach the screen and cables. Once powered, press the Interact key to open the console UI and let it finish booting. You need a complete boot to see command prompts. Make sure the overlay shows the cursor. If it does, you're ready to type. From here, you'll run the initial status checks that reveal what systems are available. Now you'll run core commands to understand the environment. Type status or info to list connected modules and their health percentages so you know what needs attention. Next, change folders with CD and use ls or dir to reveal scripts and logs. This finds the tools you must run. When you identify a script, execute it with run followed by the name and watch the console logs for progress and errors. This tells you why something failed or succeeded, so you can react accordingly. Finish by confirming all modules report OK and then save or export session logs so you have a record of what changed. Once done, close active connections and power down the terminal cleanly to avoid data corruption. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Reboot the terminal, rerun the diagnostic commands you used earlier, and target the failing module with focused repair scripts. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.